Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off and unplugging the headphones. This avoids shorting any circuits. Next, remove the ear cushion by gently stretching its lip away from the ear cup so you expose hidden screws or adhesive. Use a small Phillips and a spudger to lift any clips. Keep each screw in a labeled spot so reassembly is easy. Once done, lay parts on a soft cloth and photograph their positions. That visual memory prevents mistakes when you put everything back together. You now remove the ear cup plate to access the driver, jack, or internal cable. Carefully lift any ribbon cable from its ZIF connector and note its orientation so you can reverse it later. If replacing a driver or jack, free it from adhesive and observe any foam damping or gaskets that control sound. These affect tonality. When installing the new part, align contacts precisely and press connectors gently. Snug screws evenly to avoid warping the housing and to maintain fit and seal. You reassemble by reversing steps. Reconnect ribbon cables, reposition foam, and hand start screws to ensure correct alignment, then torque evenly. Before finalizing, test audio at low volume to verify left and right drivers work and mic or controls respond. If a side is silent, make sure the ribbon is fully seated, check solder joints for cracks, and use a continuity meter to trace broken wires. If necessary, reflow cold joints with a soldering iron or swap the cable. Then secure cushions and perform a final audio check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.